Easiest ways to create a crypto coin in 2024. Creating a cryptocurrency in 2024 can be approached in several ways, each with its own level of complexity and resources required. Here's a detailed breakdown of some of the easiest methods. Number 5. Fork an existing coin. Forking an existing cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Litecoin is indeed one of the simplest methods to create a new coin in 2024. This approach leverages the established codebase and features of well-known cryptocurrencies, reducing the need to develop everything from scratch. Platforms like GitHub host the source code of numerous cryptocurrencies, making it accessible for developers to study, modify, and use as the foundation for their projects. When forking a cryptocurrency, developers typically create a new repository based on the code of the original coin. This process involves copying the existing codebase and making modifications to tailor the coin to specific preferences or requirements. These modifications can range from simple changes, such as adjusting parameters like block time or maximum supply, to more extensive alterations, including implementing new consensus mechanisms or features. One of the primary advantages of forking is the inheritance of features and functionalities from the original coin. For example, if you fork Bitcoin, you inherit its robust security features, decentralized nature, and proven blockchain technology. Similarly, forking Bitcoin provides access to its faster block generation time and script hashing algorithm. By building upon an established cryptocurrency, developers can benefit from its existing user base, community support, and network effect, which can facilitate adoption and integration into existing ecosystems. Moreover, forking enables developers to quickly create and launch a new coin without investing significant time and resources in developing core blockchain infrastructure. Instead, the focus can be on customizing the coin to align with specific use cases, target audiences, or technological advancements. This streamlined development process can significantly reduce the time to market for the new coin, allowing developers to capitalize on emerging opportunities and trends in the cryptocurrency space. Number 4. Use a cryptocurrency creation platform. In 2024, the cryptocurrency landscape has evolved to offer accessible solutions for creating custom cryptocurrencies without the need for extensive programming knowledge. These platforms cater to a wide range of users, from entrepreneurs looking to launch their own digital assets to businesses seeking to integrate blockchain technology into their operations. One such approach is leveraging platforms that offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates for designing and launching new coins quickly. These platforms abstract much of the technical complexity associated with blockchain development, allowing users to focus on defining their tokens' properties and use cases. Ethereum's ERC20 token standard is one of the most popular frameworks for creating custom tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. It provides a set of rules and conventions that define how tokens behave, making it easier for developers to create interoperable assets that can be traded on decentralized exchanges and integrated into existing Ethereum-based applications. Platforms like Waves also offer tools and services for creating custom tokens and launching decentralized applications, dApps, on their blockchain. Waves' user-friendly interface and comprehensive documentation make it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. By utilizing Waves' platform, users can create custom tokens with specific features, such as fixed or variable token supplies, token burning, or dividend distribution, tailored to their project's requirements. Furthermore, Ethereum's Solidity language enables developers to create smart contracts, self-executing agreements with predefined rules and conditions which govern the behavior of custom tokens and decentralized applications. Solidity's syntax is similar to JavaScript, making it relatively easy for developers to learn and use. By writing smart contracts, developers can implement complex logic and functionality such as multi-signature wallets, token vesting schedules, or decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs) to enhance the capabilities of their custom cryptocurrencies. These platforms and tools democratize access to blockchain technology, empowering individuals and organizations to create and deploy custom cryptocurrencies without the need for extensive programming knowledge or infrastructure setup. However, it's essential for creators to consider factors such as security, scalability, and regulatory compliance when designing and launching new coins. Thorough testing and auditing of smart contracts and tokens are critical to identifying and addressing any vulnerabilities or issues before deployment, ensuring the integrity and reliability of the newly created assets. Additionally, staying informed about evolving regulatory requirements and industry best practices is essential to navigate the rapidly changing landscape of cryptocurrency regulations and standards. Number 3. Blockchain as a Service (BaaS). In 2024, blockchain as a service (BaaS) has become increasingly popular as companies like Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services (AWS) offer accessible solutions for creating and managing blockchain networks. These platforms abstract away much of the complexity associated with building and maintaining blockchain infrastructure, allowing users to focus on developing and deploying their applications without the need for extensive technical expertise. BaaS platforms provide a range of services and tools that simplify the process of launching new cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. One of the key advantages is the availability of templates and pre-configured settings that streamline the setup and configuration process. These templates often include common blockchain components such as consensus algorithms, smart contract functionality, and network governance mechanisms, allowing users to quickly customize and deploy their blockchain networks with minimal effort. Microsoft Azure's blockchain service, for example, offers a range of templates and integrations with popular blockchain protocols such as Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, and Corda. Users can choose from these templates to create customized blockchain networks tailored to their specific use cases and requirements. Similarly, AWS offers Amazon Managed Blockchain, a fully managed service that simplifies the creation and management of blockchain networks using open-source frameworks like Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. By leveraging BaaS platforms, users can benefit from the scalability, reliability, and security of cloud infrastructure while avoiding the complexities associated with building and maintaining their blockchain networks from scratch. These platforms handle tasks such as node provisioning, network monitoring, and data backup, allowing users to focus on developing and deploying their applications. Number 2. Tokenization platforms. In 2024, tokenization platforms emerged as powerful tools for creating digital assets on existing blockchains like Ethereum. These platforms enable individuals and businesses to represent a wide range of assets, from currencies and securities to unique collectibles and in-game items, as tokens on a blockchain. Ethereum, with its robust smart contract functionality, is a popular choice for tokenization due to its ability to support complex token standards like ERC-20 and ERC-721. ERC-20 is the most widely adopted token standard on the Ethereum blockchain and is used for creating fungible tokens. These tokens are interchangeable and represent units of value within a specific ecosystem. ERC-20 tokens have become the foundation for a myriad of projects, including cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and utility tokens. By conforming to the ERC-20 standard, developers can ensure compatibility with existing wallets, exchanges, and other infrastructure supporting Ethereum-based tokens. On the other hand, ERC-721 introduces the concept of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which represent unique and indivisible assets. Unlike ERC-20 tokens, each ERC-721 token is distinct and can have its own metadata, making them ideal for representing digital collectibles, digital art, real estate, and more. NFTs have gained popularity for their ability to prove ownership and authenticity of digital assets, opening up new possibilities for creators and collectors in various industries. Tokenization platforms built on Ethereum standards provide developers with a framework for creating custom tokens tailored to specific use cases and requirements. These platforms often offer user-friendly interfaces and development tools that simplify the token creation process, enabling individuals with varying levels of technical expertise to participate in the token economy. By leveraging tokenization platforms, developers can focus on defining the properties and functionalities of their tokens without the need to develop a new blockchain from scratch. Number 1. Smart contract development. For advanced users well-versed in programming and blockchain technology, building a cryptocurrency from scratch using smart contracts offers unparalleled flexibility and customization. Ethereum, in particular, stands out as a leading platform that provides a robust framework for developing custom cryptocurrencies through smart contracts, which are written primarily in Solidity, a programming language specifically designed for creating smart contracts. Smart contracts on Ethereum enable the implementation of sophisticated logic and functionality, allowing developers to define precisely how their cryptocurrency operates. This level of control empowers creators to tailor their cryptocurrency to specific use cases and requirements, whether it be a decentralized currency, a utility token for accessing a platform's services, or a governance token for voting on protocol changes. One of the primary advantages of building a cryptocurrency with smart contracts is the ability to define custom token standards. While Ethereum's ERC-20 standard is widely adopted for fungible tokens, developers can create their token standards with unique properties and functionalities to suit their needs. For instance, ERC-721 introduced the concept of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which represent unique digital assets such as collectibles, digital art, and virtual real estate. Additionally, smart contracts enable the implementation of complex token economics and governance mechanisms. Developers can define rules for token issuance, distribution, and inflation, as well as mechanisms for staking, voting, and yield farming. These features allow for the creation of innovative cryptocurrency designs that incentivize desired behaviors and foster community participation. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.